Question 1. A leaky faucet is driving you crazy. What's the first thing you should do? A. Tighten the handle. B. Turn off the water supply. C. Call a plumber. Answer B. Turn off the water supply. Prevents flooding and further water waste while you work. Question 2. You need to hang a heavy picture on drywall. Which is the best anchor to use? A. A nail. B. A screw. C. A drywall anchor. Answer C. A drywall anchor. A drywall anchor distributes weight and prevents the picture from pulling the fastener out of the wall. Question 3. Your toilet is clogged. What's the best tool to start with? A. A plunger. B. A drain snake. C. Chemical drain cleaner. Answer A. A plunger. A plunger, the least invasive method and often clears simple clogs. Question 4. What should you always wear when doing electrical work? A. Rubber gloves. B. Sunglasses. C. Steel-toed boots. Answer A. Rubber gloves. Rubber gloves provides insulation and protection from electric shock. Question 5. You want to paint a room. What's the purpose of using painter's tape? A. To add texture to the walls. B. To create straight lines and protect trim. C. To hold the paint can. Answer B. To create straight lines and protect trim. Painter's tape provides clean edges and prevents paint from getting on unwanted surfaces. Question 6. What's the primary purpose of a stud finder? A. To locate hidden treasure. B. To find structural supports in the wall. C. To measure wall thickness. Answer B. To find structural supports in the wall. A stud finder helps you securely hang items or install fixtures. Question 7. You're replacing a light fixture. After turning off the breaker, what's the next thing to do? A. Immediately start disconnecting wires. B. Use a voltage tester to confirm the power is off. C. Call an electrician. Answer B. Use a voltage tester to confirm the power is off. Ensures your safety before working with electrical wires. Question 8. You need to cut a piece of wood but don't have a saw. What household tool could you use in a pinch? A. A butter knife. B. A serrated kitchen knife. C. A spoon. Answer B. A serrated kitchen knife. A serrated kitchen knife. The serrated edge can provide a rudimentary sawing action, but use caution. Disclaimer: not recommended as a primary tool. Question 9. What is the main benefit of using cork around a bathtub or shower? A. To make it look pretty. B. To prevent water leaks. C. To provide extra grip. Answer B. To prevent water leaks. Cork seals gaps and prevents water from seeping into walls and floors, preventing mold and damage. Question 10. What's the purpose of sanding wood before painting or staining? A. To make it smoother for better paint adhesion. B. To make it more colorful. C. To make it stronger. Answer A. To make it smoother for better paint adhesion. Sanding removes imperfections and creates a surface that paint or stain can grip onto for a longer lasting finish. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.